Welcome back, everybody. I'm Mr. Short. This is Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 3, Lesson 4. Today we're going to homework Lesson 4. We're working on pages 25 and you see right there, page 26. Let's take a look at this one. Let's read what we're supposed to do first. After you put your first, last name, and class number, trace the parallel sides, draw a box to show each right angle. Draw a box to show each right angle. Okay. Trace the parallel sides. Trace them. All right, let's see what we got. So parallel means that they're going to never intersect. So I look at this first shape. I'm going to say this one. So I want to trace this and this one are not going to ever intersect. I'm going to put another mark there too, just because I'm tracing in pencil. It's kind of hard to see. If I look too, I'm going to say this one and this one are never going to intersect. It says draw a box to show each right angle. Well, draw a box. We already kind of got boxes there, so let's just do this. All right, we're kind of just going around this, what looks like a little box that's already there. Okay, that was supposed to be an arrow, and that looks nothing like an arrow. There was already a box kind of pointing at that one, so I just went around it the best I could. I know it's hard to see, but we're just going over a color, and you can already see a box. Like if I look over here, all right, draw a box to show each right angle. There's already a box kind of there. I mean, if you want to go like this, you can do that too, right? We can do that if you want color. All right. So now we need parallel sides. All right. Well, I think this one and this one can go on forever. Let's trace it though. Trace it. If you had different colored crayons, this would be a great time to use them. Use like a red one on the top and the bottom to show it. But then over here, if we look, if I take this line and keep going, all the way off the page, and I take this one and go straight up, they run into each other right there. So this side and this side are definitely not parallel. All right, let's look at our last shape. We got another box already drawn down here for that right angle. But if you look at nothing else here, looks like this nice, neat corner right there. So none of the rest of these are going to be right angles. Not that, not these are all. These are smaller. These are actually called, this one and this one are called acute. This helps you remember acute, like a little cute something. So these are acute because they're small. And the ones that are bigger than this are called obtuse angles because they're bigger than 90 degrees if we were to measure them. But now if we look at parallel sides, well, this one's kind of going like this one's kind of going like this one's going this way, this one's going straight down. There isn't any parallel sides here. They would all eventually run into each other. So there's nothing to trace on this one. Let's look at the next one. Draw each shape. Write 2 attributes for both shapes. What are attributes? Make it easy. Attributes can equal angles and sides. Those are attributes. Okay? Write 2 attributes. Both shapes share. So you have to draw a square, draw your rhombus. Write 2 attributes they both have. So you draw those shapes here. Remember, a rhombus kind of looks like a squished square or a squished rectangle that's off to the side a little bit, right? A rhombus might look something kind of like that. Rhombus, you see, it looks like kind of like a square that got stepped on. That's how I remember it. A rectangle got stepped on a little bit and kind of squished it, but that would be a rhombus. So then draw your square and find 2 things that both the shapes have that are the same. On the back, on page 26, write the name of each shape. Okay, count the sides. Write what the shape is. If you look back in your book, the names, the shapes are in the other pages you should have ripped out to bring home with this. If you're going back and looking, I bet you can find those other names in there. I'm not going to help you with these because you need to learn these, all right? Count your sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you're looking for the names of four-sided shapes. All right, find those, take your time. Best handwriting down here. I hope that helped. This was not a long one tonight. Make sure you take your time, get this done before you go play video games or go outside and play in the snow or whatever it is you do to have fun or relax. All right? This is Eureka Math Squared, 2nd grade, Module 3, Lesson 4. I'm Mr. Short. Make sure you and your friends hit that like and subscribe button. Have a good night.